wires. All kinds of wires. Wires. Body harnesses. Lightning harnesses. Door harnesses. Battery harnesses. Oh, if it's electrical, I pretty much took it off. Yesterday I spent probably 3 hours going through, taking everything I want, leaving some stuff. I might still grab this idle air control. I'm also going to try and put a couple things back on here. The lady I talked to on the phone was super awesome. She is a magician for sure. She'd get that joke. I don't think you will. They offered me like $64 for that car. She jumped it up to $140. They offered me $40 for this car. She got it jumped up to $105. I believe that's what being friendly and funny does to people. They want to help you out. So anyways, yeah, this guy I pretty much got cleaned up. I'm gonna finish tucking this back in, making it look more proper, prim. I let him know that I have these extra fenders for this car in here. She said that's awesome. I'm gonna continue to pick up little bolts like this anywhere I can find them. Basically just keep chugging along, trying to put some stuff back in, trying to decide what I want to keep, what I want to get rid of. They're coming in like 4 days, so I have a little bit of time to get ready. But basically what I'm getting to here is all the wiring I took is from this harness. Goes the door back up and around there. I also took everything from under here, around, up, entirely everything under there. I tucked it all back already because I wanted it to look nice. So it looks pretty nice in here. I took out the gauge. I might still grab these guys in case mine fail in the future. They're exactly the same. Other than that, I'm leaving the steering wheel, the ignition cylinder. I want to leave some stuff for these people. Some stuff I took because I can. Because it's my car. Even if they give me nothing, even if they refuse to hand me the checks over, I don't care. I'm just like, just get rid of them. But yeah, so I took all that wiring, all the wiring down under here. A little bit better lighting over here. You can see how I tried to clean it up a little bit. I let her know I took a lot of the stuff out, and that she should know that it's pretty much just a scrap vehicle. But yes, yeah. Anyways, so I'm gonna finish cleaning up that guy. Oh yes, I can't wait to get started on that. The Civic, as you can see, has this carpet, which I'm actually gonna keep. I'm gonna make like coasters or something. I don't know. Maybe a new stereo deck. It's molded, so I'm gonna have to use the flat pieces. I might be able to work something out. But it's so nice and it's brand new. Why would I want to get rid of it? So I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna put the moldings back on, put the carpet back where it is, make it look at least like it's worth the $140 check he's gonna hand me. This guy, it's so full I can't even open the damn thing. So I have to figure out, put this stuff back on there. I'm gonna cut this into little pieces and just throw it away. I don't want it. Nobody I know wants it. And I'm gonna try and shove all that somewhere and fold the carpet back up. That's a lot of wiring I gotta deal with. Put the case back on. All that jazz. So I'm gonna do that probably all right now. I'm gonna have to pop the hood because I closed it after I clipped the thing. So when the guy comes, I'm sure he's gonna want to take a peek under the hood. I hope he doesn't care. I hope he just goes, is it running, not running, whatever. Just blows on a tow truck. So then, yeah, I'm gonna rip that stuff up. These all cleaned up. See where I'm at there. And just get ready to ditch these. Give it a, in this era of the Franken Civics. One of the last times all three will be in the same picture. Alright, cleaning up I get, cleaning up I goes.